Once again, you are welcome to Digital Cloud channel. On this channel, we'll teach you how to make money online, digital marketing, and online business. Today, I'll be taking you through how you can make good money as in passive income through a website called GgLot. Let me take you to the website. This is the dashboard of GgLot. The first thing you have to do for you to access this website is that you have to go to Google and search for gglot.com. As you can see, this GgLot, you go to log in for you to sign up and register with this website. After you must have registered with this website, because I've already registered. This is my login, that's my name. This is the dashboard of GgLot. You can see on the left hand side they have transcription, service, translation, converter. On this website you can actually convert your audio or video file to a text. This is a very good website where you can actually make passive income as a freelancer, a content writer, or a data entry person. Now, when you're on GgLot, you can use this website for transcription service, translation service, and as well convert your audio or your video file to a text. Let me give you a brief explanation about this website. As a freelancer, you can, when you have a job, when you get a job from a freelance website like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, you can actually bring your job here to complete it. Maybe as a transcription job, a translation job, or a converter, or you want to convert your file to a text. This is a very lovely website. It's not well known to so many people, but people have been using it to make good amount of money. Let me show you a good example. Like this is a transcription. This is for transcription. You can see on the left hand side of the dashboard. So what you have to do here is that if you want to convert your audio file or your video file to a text, you just come here. As you can see, this is a browse option. You can use the browse option to search for your video file, upload it. When you upload it, you search. The first thing is you search for the language you want to use. Normally we use English language. Most people use English. You can use as so many languages that you want. Then you click upload. And let's say you have a YouTube video that you want to transcribe. All you have to do, let me show you a good example. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube channel. So as I was saying, we are on YouTube to subscribe this video. What we have to do is to go to the URL. We pick the URL, we copy the URL like this, and go to GgLot and paste it here. Transcribe that video. Paste it. Pick the language, English. can use any language you like. So we're using English now. English United States, or whatever English, English Australia. As you can see, because it show you number of how many speakers, because it's just only one speaker, that is only you. Custom vocabulary, set upload file. You upload it. It's processing. So before we continue with this video, please, I would like you to click the like button, subscribe to this channel. Whenever we make a new video, you'll be notified. And I want you to stay tuned to the end of this video so I can show you a free bonus on how to make good amount of money from this website. So it's still uploading. Okay, so and one thing I want you to understand is one of the best features of this website is this transcription job, transcription and translation. You can easily bring your work as a freelancer from any of the freelance platforms, transcribe it here, and make good amount of money. It makes your work very fast and easier. So after you must have uploaded your file, it will prompt you to ask you, do you want an automatic transcription that's $1.40, or you want a human transcription? So you can easily go for get automatic transcription of $1.40. So if you're getting a job in Fiverr, on Fiverr, or Freelancer, or Upwork, let's say for a minimum of $20 or $15, you can easily come to this website, that is GgLot, and transcribe your job for as low as $1.40, and you're making a very good margin of like another $13 or $12. So you can see that with this website you can actually make good passive income. So if you're getting several jobs as a freelancer, you can easily come to this website and to complete your job. You can as well use translation service. This is a translation service. As you can see, you open it. So it's very easy. You select your language, the language you want to use, the translation type, maybe to document or to subtitle, and the next thing you click translate. So it's very easy to use this platform to make good amount of money. You can go to as well as converter. You can choose your file, maybe through the browse option. After you must have chosen your file, you want to convert it to MP3, WAV, AAC, depending on whatever you want to convert it to. Then the next thing you click convert. With this, it's quite easy for you to use this website and start making passive income. It makes your job very fast, and when you have so many jobs at your deckhand, or you have so many offers from your clients, you can easily come here and use it to complete your freelance job. So thank you very much. Once again, we'd like you to click the like button and the bell notification, as well as subscribe to this channel so that we can notify you whenever we make another video. That is it for now. Thank you very much.